Welcome to 38th session of Computer Concept for Commerce subject. In this module, we are going to learn meaning and features of MS Excel. In the previous chapter, we have discussed about Microsoft Word, its features and disadvantages. The objective of this session is to understand the meaning and features of MS Excel. There are various definitions of MS Excel. First one is MS Excel is a software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Excel analysis is ubiquitous around the world and used by businesses of all sizes to perform financial analysis. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation software developed by Microsoft. It is a standard component of the company's Microsoft Office suite software and is bundled together with Word, Excel, and other office productivity tools. Almost all the professionals use this spreadsheet tool, MS Excel, the universal language that speaks in almost all the offices. As a starter or intermediate level user, you need to know some of the important features of MS Excel. The first feature of MS Excel is we can open the any number of new workbooks. Second one is you can insert a new worksheet in Excel and delete the same at any point of time. There are various shortcut keys in the MS Excel. Number one is Control plus X. Control plus C is a shortcut key to copy the document. Control plus X is nothing shortcut key to cut. Control plus V is a shortcut key to paste. Apart from universal all these shortcuts, you can also have abundant number of shortcut keys in Excel is another feature of MS Excel. This is how the spreadsheet can be used to add given numbers. When you take any number of numbers and then drag on all the numbers and click on auto sum, you'll get the total of all the numbers. Other Excel features are, number one is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting brings out the patterns of universe as captured by your spreadsheet. Pivot tables. Use pivot tables to sort, count, total or average data stored in one large spreadsheet and display them in a new table cut however you want. Paste special. Grabbing. Nothing but copying some data from one cell and pasting it to another cell is one of the most common activities in Excel, but there is a lot you might copy and sometimes you won't want to copy all of it. Add multiple rows. It is easy to add multiple rows in this MS Excel is another feature. Absolute references. The dollar in front of the letter fixes the column. The dollar sign in front of numbers fixes the rows. F4 toggles through the 4 possible combinations. Next is print optimization. Everyone has problems printing from Excel. There are a few components of print preview, fit in one page, adjusting margins, print selection, printing headers, portrait versus landscape, and spreadsheet design. Extend formula across or down is another important feature of MS Excel. Then flash fill. You have two columns of names and you need to construct email addresses from them. Just do it for the first row and Excel will work out what you mean and do it for the rest. Index match is also possible. Then filters. Explore data in a table quickly is also possible in MS Excel. These are all the important features which MS Excel is offering to the users. Thank you.